अब आ रहा ऑडियो? अबे स्पीकर पे ऑन है भाई इसका ऑडियो, कब से बज रहा था? हाँ अब आ रहा।
Srivastav. Are truly grateful to have esteemed dignitaries, faculty members, and students here with us as we celebrate success, transition, and new opportunities. As we move forward, we would like to call our esteemed Head of Department, Dr. Prashant Shukla sir, to kindly come on the stage and share his thoughts on this remarkable journey and blessings for the chapter's bright future. Prashant sir.
Thank you, Janvi, for welcoming me. Good afternoon, everyone. So, as Janvi has introduced me, I am Soumit from Prerogative and co-founder of Prerogative Pointers. So, before telling about Prerogative Pointers, let me introduce my team, my president of previous student chapter, that is Priyanshu Singh. So I am feeling very proud and emotional to be here with my entire team of Prerogative Pointers of United University. Today is about gratitude and growth. We are here to bid farewell to our first ever core team, our pioneers, and also welcoming our torch bearers. A team full of energy, a team full of power. Let's have applause for our new team. So जब हमने प्रेरोगेटिव पॉइंटर स्टार्ट किया था, we have started it not just as a club. हम लोगों ने प्रेरोगेटिव पॉइंटर्स को as a club ही नहीं सिर्फ लॉन्च किया था. We have a dreams with deadlines. We are planting a vision to bridge gap between industry and academia. A vision जहाँ students opportunity की wait नहीं करते, they develop it. A vision जहाँ लीडरशिप का मतलब सिर्फ एक पोजीशन नहीं है, they have to develop and have a purpose for it. A vision जहाँ लर्निंग सिर्फ क्लासरूम डोर्स तक लिमिटेड नहीं है, it becomes lifestyle. It expands with real life experiences, with networking and with growth. And you guys have made that vision a real. Workshops to webinar, from TechFest to team bonding, you build a legacy. Every event you have every you hello every event you organize, every late night sessions, every risk you took, those weren't just a task. और सबसे बड़ी बात, you inspired all of us with the big dreams. So ये मेरी all team के लिए है. You guys are not just a backbone. You are the heartbeat of the student chapter. You will be always part of this Prerogative family. एंड ऑनेस्टली जब भी मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि हम लोगों ने ये स्टूडेंट चैप्टर स्टार्ट कैसे किया था और आज का अगर सोचता हूँ, आई फील वेरी प्राउड कि हम लोगों ने ये स्टूडेंट चैप्टर लॉन्च किया है और इसको सक्सेसफुली यहाँ पे चलाया है. सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ प्रेरोगेटिव पॉइंटर्स, अब मेरी न्यू टीम की बारी. वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड माय लिटिल चैम्प्स. You have got the energy, you got fire, and you have got a solid foundation to work on it. You are not here to fill shoes, you are here to build new pathways. You are not starting from zero, but you are carrying forward a legacy. अब आपके हाथ में है इस जर्नी को कैसे आगे लेके जाना है. उम्मीद करता हूँ पिछले टीम की तरह आप भी इस टीम को बहुत आगे तक लेके जाओगे. एक चीज आप सब याद रखना, लड़ने से कभी डरना मत, फेलियर से कभी डरना मत. दिस ईयर वी विल गो बिगर, वी विल गो बोल्डर एंड वी विल गो बेटर. हाउ? मोर इवेंट्स आर प्लान्ड, मोर इंडस्ट्री कोलैबोरेशंस हैव बीन प्लान्ड, स्ट्रॉन्गर collaborations with industry, many more internship opportunities, skill-based competitions and learning circles and lots many more. But इन सब के साथ fun भी रहेगा, future भी बनेगा. Just remember, the world is your canvas and we have given you the brush to paint. एक चीज याद रखना, this is your space, you have to create it, you have to build it, you have to shape it. Because चैप्टर आप बनाओगे तो ही चैप्टर बनेगा, मीन्स ये चैप्टर आपसे ही बनेगा. स्टूडेंट चैप्टर उसकी टीम से ही बनती है, कोई ऐसे नहीं बन जाती. फेल होने से मत डरना, कभी ट्राई ना करने से डरो. राइट, यू डोंट नीड टू बी परफेक्ट, जस्ट बी प्रेजेंट, बी रियल, कीप लर्निंग, कीप वाइबिंग. लीडर्स ऐसे ही बनते हैं. लीडर बनने के लिए कोई क्राउन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, एक करेज की जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यू ऑल हैव दैट स्पार्क. यू कैन बी अ गुड लीडर. So let's celebrate the legends, welcome the dreamers, and create a year that we'll remember forever. Let's celebrate what we have built and get excited for amazing outcomes. The best is yet to become. Because ये तो अभी ट्रेलर था, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है दोस्तों. With this, thank you so much, and let's turn this journey into a madness, magic, and full of memories. स्टाइल में, स्माइल में और फुल पावर के साथ लेट्स क्रिएट अ न्यू एंड समथिंग लेजेंडरी. थैंक यू, थैंक्स वंस अगेन फॉर कमिंग हियर.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, we would like to call Soman sir again on stage to present a token of thanks to Honorable HOD Dr. Prashant Shukla sir and Deputy to PBUU Mr. Naveen Kumar Gupta sir.
आज शुक्ला आगे से नहीं.
Thank you so much, Soman sir. Change is uninevitable, but the footprints of those who led the way remain forever.
Today, we bid farewell to the co-founding team, the pioneers whose dedication and hard work have been instrumental in shaping this chapter.
Now, through a PPT, we would like to express the entire journey of Pedagogic Pointers, the student chapter. Starting off with our faculty leads, Dr. Prashant Shukla sir, who is head of the department of the departments of Computer Science and Engineering, United University, and Mr. Naveen Kumar Gupta sir, who is the faculty head of the student chapter PBUU and assistant professor at United University. Moving on to our founders, Mr. Soman Dey, who is the CEO Pedagogic Group of Institute, and Mr. Sachin Gar, who is the co-founder of the Pedagogic Group of Institute, also founder of the Pedagogic Pointers. Now, moving on to the president and vice president of the founding team, we have Priyanshu Singh as the president and Achindra Sharma as the vice president of the club. Moving on to the technical team, we have Divya Pathak as the head and Divyanshu Mishra as the executive member. Moving on to the event management team, we Fatima as the head of the event management team, Anshika Singh as the co-head, Ayushi Yadav as the executive member, and Roshni Mishra as the executive member. Moving on to the PRO team, we had Ananya Shrivastava as the head, Saurabh Tripathi as the co-head, Risha Singh as the executive member, and Anshuman Rai as the executive member. Moving on to the photography and media team, we had Anand Mishra as the head, Adarsh Bind as the co-head, and Arth Shukla as the executive member. Moving on to the graphic design team, we have Shesh Gupta as the head and Saurabh Tripathi as the co-head. The social media and marketing team, we had Sakshi Singh as the head, Sahil Yadav as the co-head, and Somesh Kumar as the executive member. Thank you so much, everyone. With this, we would like to call Somin sir, our HOD, Dr. Prashant Shukla sir, Naveen Kumar Gupta sir, and all the other esteemed faculty members to kindly come on the stage for the lamp lighting ceremony before we move forward.
आगे आगे बोलो।
नहीं बाबू, क्या हुआ? इस पे बैठ जाओ। कुछ
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, we'd like to invite Dr. Prashant Shukla sir, Somin sir, and Naveen sir to represent certificates to the outgoing members.
मेरे भी टी शर्ट पड़ रही है एकदम निकाल दिया। हाँ यार जाना ही पड़ेगा।
आप शुरू करो हमारे कभी दे जाएगा जो हमारे कभी सर हम लोग की भी साथ साथ चलेंगे सर हम लोग की भी
बोलो बोलो शांत बैठ जाओ।
यस सर अरे हैं सर इतने ही लोग हैं और नहीं ये सफात है नहीं हो रहा सर दे दीजिएगा सर पेज में कितना दे सीढ़ी का है सर
Starting off with the old members, the previous president of the PPUU chapter, Priyanshu Singh.
अर्थ
बैठा देना थोड़ा पीछे बोलना
अरे भाई
Moving on to the executive member of the technical team, Divyanshu Mishra. Moving forward, the event management team, Rashni Mishra as the executive member.
And next we have the head of public relation and outreach team, Ananya Shrivastava, co-head Saurabh Tripathi, and executive member Risha Singh. Co-head Saurabh Tripathi, executive member Risha Singh.
Next, the executive member to the PRO team, Risha Singh. Moving on to the graphics and design team, we have Saurabh Tripathi as the co-head.
यस सर काफी बदल रही है।
वहाँ जाओ देखना।
सर आप भी थे तो तुम तो 3 बार बजाए 3 टाइम क्लैप। सर हम लोग जाए सीडी का क्लास करने।
Next we have Adarsh Ben, photography team co-head.
Next, we have Somesh Kumar as the executive member to the social media team. Moving on, Arth Shukla, executive member to the photography team. Thank you so much, sir.
अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर आया होगा। हाँ, लेटर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट भी होगा।
It has been a lot of certificates and letters. Why not make this event even more interesting? Let's blend it with fun and knowledge. I request everyone to please maintain silence and decorum in the auditorium. A humble request to everyone, please. Thank you. Let's play a game. In this, we will show you clips of actors and actresses and you have to guess their names. Make sure you guess them right. All the audience in the auditorium, please maintain silence.
शांत बैठ जाओ तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ शांत बैठ जाओ शांत बैठ जाओ
Everyone in the auditorium, please maintain silence. Listen to the instructions of the game.
चिल्ला रहे हो सुन रहा हूँ
Anyone who knows the answer to the question raised is requested to raise their hands and not to shout. I hope I am very clear to everyone. Whosoever knows the answer is requested to raise their hands and not to shout. Rajkumar Rao. Anyone who knows the answer is requested to please raise his or her hand and not to shout, please. Naveen sir. Hrithik Roshan.
नहीं उससे पहले
Moving on to the next question.
अनुष्का शर्मा रियल
कोई चीज़ नहीं
Anushka Sharma. Moving on to the next question.
शिवांशु ये गैलरी मत यूज करो गैलरी
करीना कपूर और शुभेंद्र
Moving on to the next.
ये भैया इधर ले लीजिए
Deepika Padukone. Moving on to the next question. Moving on to the next question. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Moving on to the next.
रणवीर कपूर
Next question. Hello, Mani.
देखा कि भाई देखा भाई क्या
Rekha Bachchan. Moving on to the next question.
विशाल कुमार
Kishore Kumar.
हाँ शेख हाँ
अरे
Moving on to the next. There is no next.
चलो
जाके देखो
अबे चलो
As we bid farewell,
As we bid farewell to the co-founding team, we welcome a new beginning, a fresh team ready to take charge with innovation and enthusiasm.
It's time to unveil our new team who will carry forward the legacy and lead us towards greater success. Now, we would like to call Soman Sir, Naveen Kumar Gupta Sir on the stage to kindly come and give the certificates and kits to the new members. We also request our esteemed faculty member Vinay Sir to kindly come on the stage. Starting off with the president of the club, Risha Singh.
Moving on to the vice president, Roshni Devdutt Mishra.
Moving on to the head of the technical team, Divyanshu Mishra. Moving on to the executive member, Divyanshu Dubey.
Moving on to the next, event management team head, Kartika Kushwaha. Co-head, Mari Keshri. And executive member, Gargi Soni.
Moving on to the public relation and outreach team, we have Shivanshu Sharan as the head. Co-head Abhinesh Singh. Executive member Naina Kesarwani. Moving on to graphic and design team, we have Saksham Srivastav as the head. Nitya Chaurasia as the co-head, who is right now not present with us. Executive member Shresht.
Moving on to the photography team, head Adarsh Bind. Co-head Arth Shukla. And executive member Ayush Tiwari.
social media and marketing team, we have co-head Soumya Agrahari. Executive member Sakshi Pandey. Thank you so much, sir. I think I got bored again. Why not make it interesting again with another game? What do you all say with it? Moving on to our next game. Guess the dialogue. I'll say the dialogue from any famous movie and you have to guess and tell me the name of the movie. I'm telling you the instructions again. If you know the answer, please raise your hands and don't shout. Moving on to the first dialogue. Mogamba khush hua. Mr. India. That was a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Tumse na ho payega. This dialogue belongs to which famous movie? Any guesses?
Gangs of Wasseypur.
It was a correct answer. Moving on. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Any guesses? The head already gave the answer to this question. Om Shanti Om. Moving on to the next question. Keh diya na, bas keh diya. Any guesses?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
That was not a correct guess. Anyone else? No guesses? I think I'll take the privilege to answer this question. The answer is Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. Moving on to the next question. अगर तुम किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Any guesses?
Om Shanti Om.
That was a correct guess, but I don't think this statement stands right. Moving on to the next question. Tension नहीं लेने का, देने का. Any guesses? I'll take the privilege again to answer this question. Munna Bhai MBBS. Moving on to the next question. डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है. Moving on to the next question. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूं. Obviously, not अपनी अपना, but this is the question. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूं. Any guesses?
Chaffee Matt.
That was a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. रिस्क तो स्पाइडरमैन को भी लेना पड़ता है, मैं तो फिर भी सेल्समैन हूं. Any guesses? The answer is जरा हट के जरा बच के. It's the name of the movie.
मेरा आंसर
Moving on to the next question. लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कोई रिस्क ना लेना. Any guesses? It is from a favorite movie.
चल भाई क्लास छूट गई.
Any guesses to this question? I'll take the privilege again to answer this. Chennai Express. Moving forward, we would like to call Somin sir on the stage to kindly present the memento to the previous head and co-heads of Prerogative Pointers, the student chapter. Only president of the student chapter. I request Priyanshu sir to kindly come on the stage and share his experience and feedback. Good afternoon, everyone. So first of all, thank you Somin sir for coming, and thank you Naveen sir and Vinay sir for coming in this auditorium for this inauguration event, investiture day event. और ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था जो हम लोगों ने एक साल जितने भी इवेंट किए, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और टीम भी बहुत अच्छी थी। और जितने भी नए बच्चे आए फर्स्ट ईयर वो भी इस टीम को सपोर्ट करें और सब अच्छे से इवेंट्स कराएं और नया नया सीखें। और सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू प्रशांत सर जो हमें ये परमिशन दी है कि स्टूडेंट चैप्टर ओपन करें, और थैंक यू सोमिन सर और सचिन सर जिन्होंने हमारे साथ कोलैबोरेट करके स्टूडेंट चैप्टर को ओपन करने में आगे बढ़ाया। और नवीन सर को थैंक यू कि वो हमारे साथ एक साल से हमारे फैकल्टी लीड थे, हमारे साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करते रहें। और हमारे सारे टीम मेंबर्स को भी थैंक यू जो हमारे साथ लगे थे। और जितने भी इवेंट हुए इसमें सबने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया, और आगे भी जितने इवेंट्स आते रहेंगे उसमें भी सब बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते, तो आप लोग अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया करें उस इवेंट में और सबके साथ कोऑर्डिनेट किया करें। सो थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड थैंक यू सर और थैंक यू माय टीम एंड न्यू टीम।
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Ananya ma'am to come on stage and share her views.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, sir, teachers, and all the members who are present here, new members, and my old team. I'm very happy to be back on the stage for the Prerogative Pointers. This is my last time dedicating everything that I have for this chapter. I thank Somin sir, Sachin sir, Naveen sir, and Prashant sir for choosing me to be part of this team and making sure that I do well in every aspect. I thank all the team members, Risha, Anshuman, and Saurabh for always being the side pillars for me, always executing all the commands even when I get impatient with you all. I welcome all the new team members to do your best, respect everyone, make sure that you know your place and the designation that you are at. But not only representing your team members, but also the whole university. So please make sure that you do your best, remember your place, your values and your morals. And I'm very sure that you will all do great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Every journey finds its meaning to the people who make it worthwhile.
As we conclude today's event, we invite a member of the new team to deliver the vote of thanks, expressing gratitude to all who made this occasion a success. We would like to call Shivanshu Sharma to kindly come to the podium.
Thank you, Naveen sir, Somin sir, for giving me this opportunity. It is my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks today. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Somin sir, for taking out time from your precious routine to be here with us today. Second, a heartfelt thank to all our distinguished guests, faculty members present. Your presence has made this event more special. I would also like to appreciate the President Risha Singh, Vice President Roshni, Event Manager Kartika for managing the entire event, and the excellent flow. It's amazing. To our audience, thank you for being here. Your energy, your attention and encouragement during the game sessions were highly remarkable. Let's carry forward the thoughts and learning from today and continue working together. And continue working together with the same spirit. Thank you all again and have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, Shivanshu. Moving on, we would like to call Somin sir to kindly come on the stage and interact with the audience.
So thank you each and every member sitting over here for coming here and attending this event. So आप सबने स्टूडेंट चैप्टर का एक रिव्यू देखा, हमारी पुरानी टीम से मिले हो, नई टीम मेंबर से मिले हो. क्या आप लोगों को पता है ये स्टूडेंट चैप्टर है क्या? Anyone of you know? Kindly raise your hand. Anyone knows it? या स्टूडेंट चैप्टर होता क्या है, किसी को पता है? किसी को भी नहीं पता? तो एक छोटा सा ओवरव्यू देता हूँ. हमारा स्टूडेंट चैप्टर अलग क्यों है या हमारा स्टूडेंट चैप्टर में ऐसा यूनिक क्या है? सो वी आर फोकसिंग दिस स्टूडेंट चैप्टर ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स बेनिफिट. सबसे पहला बेनिफिट ये है कि स्टूडेंट्स को अपॉर्चुनिटीज ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. स्टूडेंट चैप्टर में, इस स्टूडेंट चैप्टर में इतना सपोर्ट मिलता है कि स्टूडेंट्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद बिल्ड करते हैं. सो इट्स अ बिग थिंग जो कोई भी स्टूडेंट चैप्टर प्रोवाइड नहीं करता. सेकेंड थिंग इज इंडस्ट्री कोलैबोरेशन. इंडस्ट्री कोलैबोरेशंस में क्या है, आपके यूनिवर्सिटी में डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज को लेकर आना, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज के साथ आपको इन टच करवाना, ये हमारी स्टूडेंट चैप्टर का सेकंड मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी. सो स्टूडेंट चैप्टर में जो टीम है उनकी डेडिकेशंस के साथ बनती है. तो लास्ट ईयर काफी सारे इवेंट्स प्लान किए, काफी सारे इवेंट्स हमारे सक्सेसफुल रहे हैं, आप ग्लिम्पसेस देख सकते हो. इस साल भी हमारी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि पिछले साल से भी बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से ये इवेंट्स हो. सो आई होप आप सबको समझ लगा कि हम कैसे काम कर रहे हैं. सो जस्ट वन थिंग आई नीड फ्रॉम यू ऑल, योर सपोर्ट टू दिस टीम. हम नए नए इवेंट्स लाएंगे, नए नए कॉम्पिटिशन्स लाएंगे, उन सब में आप लोग अपनी हिस्सेदारी दीजिएगा, हमारी पूरी टीम को सपोर्ट कीजिएगा. क्या पता नेक्स्ट ईयर जो हमारे नया टीम बने उसमें आप भी एक पार्ट हो. लाइक if I talk about Divyanshu, if I talk about Risha, if I talk about Roshni, ये लोग एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर्स थे. एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर्स आर द वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट चैप्टर टीम. नाउ दे आर एट हेड पोजीशंस. तो ये ऐसा भी नहीं है कि पुरानी टीम में से ही कोई नई टीम में ही आएगा. नॉट ऑलवेज विल वर्क लाइक दैट. हमारी टीम ऐसी है जो पैशनेट है, उसी को हम पोजीशन देते हैं. पोजीशन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम किसी को कोई पोजीशन देते. सो हमारे स्टूडेंट चैप्टर के साथ जुड़े रहिए, जितने इवेंट आ रहे हैं उस पे पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए, मैक्स टू मैक्स पार्टिसिपेशंस रखिए अपनी. विद दिस आई विल लाइक टू से यू थैंक यू.
And with that, we officially bring the event to a close. Thank you everyone for being a part of this memorable day.
Here's to a new leadership, new beginnings, and continued success. We request all the audience, you are free to leave now. Thank you so much for your time and patience.
Abdullah.